Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix a Roblox error that says this experience is not accessible because it is unrated. So, this error usually happens when the developer of the game hasn't set an age rating. A recent Roblox update, every experience must have a rating, and if none is set, it's default to 13+. So, your Roblox account needs to be at least 13 years old to access these games. And here's what you need to do. For that, open up your browser in the search bar search for roblox.com and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on this settings like icon, then select settings. Inside settings under account info, make sure your phone number or email address is verified. After that, you need to go ahead and simply check your birthday. If your account is set under 13, that's why you are blocked. Try updating your birthday in account settings, and if Roblox does not let you change it, the only option is to go ahead and simply create a new account with the correct age set to 13 or above. Sometimes this error can be a temporary glitch in Roblox system. If that's the case, just wait a few hours or couple days and try again. That's it. You should now be able to fix the unrated experience error on Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.